Hey, how's it going, guys? Alright, so it's time for another project on our G8. Today we're gonna do suspension. So new struts, new mounting bushings. My buddy's got a rush today. It's my helper.
Friday night.
So let me show you what kind of suspension they got. Super Pro bushings, designed and engineered in Australia. Lifetime warranty. Holy shit. And we got what's the brand? Pedders. Struts. Pedders struts. We got brand new hood strut. And also what's the name of that? Strut covers, I guess. I don't know. Difference. That's more pressure. Okay. Damn, I like it. All right, so that was a pretty easy project. Yep, that's gonna be it for today.
Thanks for watching.
So we got quite a bit of space over here. You can see that actually there's a big gap over here. The same thing on the other side.
Supposed to be like this?
No, I don't think so. It's supposed to be closer, I think. Okay, nice cover. Okay, so one over here, one over there. And yeah.
Let's do it.
Easy money. Okay, so let's see how bad it is.
Oh yeah.
Yep, it's shot. Doesn't look too bad over here. Alright, but it should be pretty easy. So we have to loosen up the lines over here. Those two bolts over here, this bolt, and one bolt on top. And
You told me it's only
that's
two
about
bolts.
it.
Sure.
Okay, perfect.
Oh, light. You got it.
Alright, so get one out.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's time to compress. you know that's how it's gonna work.
Okay.
Oh. See the difference?
No, troszkę. Tak,
Okay, so that's the difference between the
You want
old one and the new one.
This thing. Alright.
Alright.
Made in PRC. What the fuck is PRC? Hey Google. What does PRC stand for?
People's Republic of China. On the website all-spares.com.
So China. But instead of just saying China, they said PRC. So people don't know what they're getting. All true. Co w końcu? Na tym starym, znaczy na drugim.
Alright, so just found out one thing. So whenever we do struts or removing the spring, whatever, so we didn't know exactly how to line the spring. The top, it's not really flat. So there is one notch over here on the top plate, and seems like the notch needs to be lined up with this bracket, sway bar link hole. So it needs to be in this line.
Apparently. Look at that. Attempt number 3.
On the video, it's gonna look like it was first attempt.
Yep.
But yeah, it looks
5
like
minute job.
Looks like we got everything on. New bushing, new strut. To chyba nie zamylinium.
Tak, zobacz, jest za magnesik, tak wiesz, to druga? tylko tym balonem czy zgrywa?
Alright, so the other side looks pretty much shot. The rubber shot on the top, the bushing look kind of shot, and the boot, it's not even there. Oh, it's just here. It just sits on the bottom.
You know what time it is? It's Corona time. So, quick tip, if your gun is working like shit, like this, it means it's fucking frozen. No. Dajcie mi nie przyszło. Jeszcze. Dobra? No. Wiecie, teraz, a? Koło zachodzisz, tyle? Dokładnie, z tej strony dobrze, że 15 minut do chuja.
No. And of course my battery died yesterday, so I wasn't able to record the ending of our project, but I went pretty smooth. We took a test drive, everything works well, no issues. Seems like alignment is still in a good position, you drive straight. The only tip I can give you, make sure you lift it up the entire front, both wheels, because the way we did it, one wheel was still on the ground, one wheel's in the air, so the sway bar was crooked, so it was pushing down on a strut, or actually pushing up on a strut. So there is a lot of tension on that. But whenever you lift both of the wheels, the sway bar stays in the same position, so you shouldn't have any issue with that. That's gonna be it for this video. Please remember to subscribe. Let me know in the comments what would you like to see next. And like you see, we still got winter time here in Chicago area, so there's not gonna be too much content on two wheels on motorcycles. So we gotta wait for that a little bit until it gets warmer.